We are pleased to show you the 2017 Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, traction control system, wheel covers, outside temperature gauge, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power steering. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.